Ever feel a little uneasy leaving your car parked on a dark street? What if you could have an extra set of eyes, an unblinking witness that records everything even in pitch black? A dashcam with great night vision is a game changer, protecting you from hit and runs, vandalism, and fraudulent insurance claims. Today, we're shining a light on the 8 best dashcams for night vision recording you can get on Amazon. Pack-in Recording. On our mailbox station, we're going to break down their pros and cons, compare their features, and pick a clear winner that will give you the best peace of mind on the road and in the parking lot. All the links are in the description. 8. Vantrue N5 4 Channel Dash Cam. The Vantrue N5 is an absolute beast for all-around surveillance. It's a 4-channel camera that records the front, rear, and both sides of your car's interior. With Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, its night vision is excellent, especially on the front camera, which captures license plates with incredible clarity. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants a full 360 DG view. However, this level of coverage comes with a trade-off. It's bulky, a little complicated to install, and its high power usage means you'll need to hardwire it and use a large memory card. It's a step up from the other 4-channel option on this list, but the complexity might be too much for the average driver. 7. PRUVEEO D90 channel Dashcam. The PRUVEEO D90 also offers a full 360 DG view with 4 cameras for front, rear, and interior coverage. Its STARVIS sensors deliver solid 1080p footage day and night, and it has a touchscreen for easy control. What makes it stand out is that it's a 4-channel system at a much more affordable price point than the Vantrue N5. And it even includes a free 128 GB memory card. However, this is one of those cases where you get what you pay for. Some users have reported build quality and app connectivity issues, and it's a little bulkier than its competitors. It's a great choice if your priority is comprehensive coverage on a tight budget. 6. Affver 4K Dashcam. The Affver 4K is an excellent choice if you want high resolution without the high price. It records in true 4K on the front and 1080p on the rear with a clean, low-profile design. Its night vision is great for the price, and the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring video lightning fast. For under $100, 0 cents, getting a 4K camera with GPS, a big screen, and a memory card included is a fantastic deal. It doesn't have the fancy sensors of a more expensive cam, and the parking mode requires a separate hard wiring kit. But for day-to-day driving, it's a powerful and affordable option. 5. Diamond Lark 1080p Cam. The Diamond Lark is the perfect budget-friendly no-frills option. It's a simple, front-facing 180p camera with all the essential features: loop recording, G-sensor, and night vision. It's perfect for someone who just needs a basic, dependable witness on the road. It comes with a 32 GB SD card and is super easy to install. While it's great for its price, it lacks the advanced features of the others on this list like Wi-Fi, GPS, or a rear camera. It's not the most powerful, but it's reliable for what it is. Or Yonvim 2.5K Dashcam. The Yonvim is a great mid-range dual dash cam that gives you a nice step up in quality. It records in 2.5K on the front and 1080p on the rear, which is a significant improvement over standard 180p cameras. The large 3.39-inch touchscreen is a big plus, making it easy to review footage right on the device without having to connect to an app. Its night vision is solid and it performs well in low-light conditions. It's more powerful than the Affver but doesn't have the ultra-fast Wi-Fi. 3. REDTIGER F7 NP4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7 NP is a very popular choice for a reason. It delivers crisp 4K front footage and 1080p rear recording with excellent night vision. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS are a huge plus for tracking your route and speed, and the included 32 GB card means it's ready to go right out of the box. Users consistently praise its image quality, which rivals more expensive brands. The only downside is that the Wi-Fi app can be a little clunky, and the camera sometimes defaults to a lower resolution. What do you think? Are a few app quirks worth the amazing video quality? Let me know in the comments. 2. Galphi Q2 4K Dashcam. The Galphi Q2 is a game changer for anyone who wants a compact, front-facing 4K camera. This little guy is incredibly discreet, so it won't clutter your windshield. It captures stunning 4K footage, and its 5 GHz Wi-Fi is the fastest on this list, making video transfers a breeze. Its night vision is excellent for a single-channel camera. While it lacks a rear camera and GPS, if your priority is a small, high-quality, front-only camera with fast connectivity, this is a top-tier choice. 1. Cievie D104K Dashcam. And the winner is the Cievie D100. Why? Because it offers the absolute best balance of premium features, dual-channel coverage, and an affordable price. It records in true 4K on the front and 1080p on the rear, has amazing night vision, a sleek design, and the fastest 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick file transfers. It's a complete package that includes a 64 GB card, and its supercapacitor is a huge plus for durability in extreme weather. While some of the other cameras on this list excel in a single area, the Cievie does everything exceptionally well, making it the most reliable, comprehensive, and best value option for the average driver. So there you have it, folks. The best dash cams to protect your vehicle day and night. While all these cameras are great, the Cievie D100 takes the top spot for its unbeatable combination of crystal-clear 4K footage, dual-camera setup, and lightning-fast Wi-Fi, all at a price that won't break the bank. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car tech content, and let me know in the comments which dash cam you're rockin'. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.